Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to a code guys, Oppo phone guys, phone Bluetooth setting guys, how can we reset? Friends, we want to reset guys your phone Bluetooth setting. So friends, how to reset today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Friends, you want to reset guys your Oppo mobile guys phone Bluetooth setting. So guys you can reset. Open your guys phone system setting. Then guys click on guys backup and reset option, tap here. Friends, you can see reset phone setting, we will tap here. Guys you can see Bluetooth setting, we will tap here to reset. Then guys your Bluetooth setting will reset after 5 and 10 seconds guys. Setting will reset guys, setting has been reset. Friends, you can use guys your phone Bluetooth setting in your Oppo phone device. So guys we can on and we can off guys Bluetooth setting from here. So guys we will on after on guys available device. Guys you want to connect one device, so you can connect from here. So like that guys we can reset guys open Wi-Fi phone Bluetooth settings. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.